The limits of the logging industry are gradually being erased, opening a new and promising era. Are you ready to become a pioneer to witness these spectacular breakthroughs? Join us to explore cutting-edge technologies that are completely changing the way we access and exploit precious resources. Don't forget to click like and share to spread inspiration and development to everyone. Wow! Thousand-year-old cedar trees, giants of the forest, are now experiencing their last moments under the skillful hands of woodworkers. Every blow of his hammer, every cut of his saw is amazingly precise, like a symphony of precision and grace. The moment the massive tree trunks fall, it's like a giant velvet curtain being pulled up, revealing a majestic and mysterious scene, making viewers unable to help but After the giant cedar trees were harvested by the lumberjack and transported to the workshop, we admired the CNC lathe at work. With outstanding precision, CNC machines are capable of turning rough wooden blocks into sophisticated details for luxurious bed designs in just a few minutes. The capabilities of this modern technology truly amaze you with the speed and perfection it brings. Incredible. Modern wood chipper machines today have become indispensable tools for those who need to produce large quantities of firewood. With a robust design and outstanding performance, these machines can handle everything from small tree branches to large logs up to 10 inches in diameter. In just 30 seconds, a large log can be shredded, producing up to 4,400 libs of firewood per hour. Whether preparing for winter or maximizing firewood resources, these machines are the ultimate solution, saving time and increasing efficiency. Too dangerous. A man was lucky to escape death while cutting down a tree when the falling tree trunk pulled on the safety rope, nearly causing him to fall from a height. You can share your thoughts about this video. Please leave feedback for everyone to discuss. Imagine a giant crane gracefully rising high, gently cutting hair for the green trees. That's the ABL Boomversorging lift at work. With a modern design, the machine easily reaches tree branches in the most difficult locations. It is truly an outstanding improvement in Nakeisha technology, with a high-speed rotating rotor system and super hard cutting blades capable of crushing plant biomass into small fragments, creating favorable conditions for the digestion process. Naturally degraded, contributing to soil improvement and environmental protection. At the same time, the machine is also equipped with an effective cooling system, ensuring stable operation for a long time. The TK200 planter is a talented soil worker. With a storage compartment of up to 200 seedling trays, it helps grow thousands of trees quickly. Ruggedly designed, the machine can operate effectively in semi-arid areas and rocky mountainous areas. With excellent mounding ability, suitable for planting northern tree species, helping to speed up the planting process and ensure a high survival rate. The machine is recommended for use with excavators with a tonnage of up to 18 tons, bringing outstanding efficiency in afforestation work. Cleaning up the storm's aftermath at the garden in Miners Bay, Ontario has become easier thanks to Wanz's talented hands. With the help of a Style MS441 chainsaw, he quickly removed the broken white pine. The top and hole cutting techniques have helped him completely control the working process, ensuring safety for himself and those around him. The loading of wood into cargo holds at the port of Skulta, Latvia, helps transport birch, pine, and mixed wood firewood to companies such as SIA Revosa for pulp making or supply to the firewood industry. This requires high precision to ensure the wood is not damaged, using equipment such as cranes and trucks during transport across the sea. In your opinion, shaping trees is not just about cutting, but an art that makes them bow before their talent? Not to mention a Walter wood processing line with modern technology that can process wood up to 5,000 millimeters long and 1,500 millimeters wide, turning raw wood into smooth and precise boards. The machine is capable of processing a variety of wood types, from hardwood to softwood, serving the production of high-end furniture, wooden floors, wooden doors, and plywood. Back in the forest, we look at the CC wood harvester. What is this Boyce harvester doing? Come close and feel the power of CC Boyce harvester. The roar of the engine echoed throughout the forest, the sharp cuts of the saw blade ripping and severing the tree trunks, creating an impressive scene. With a special design, the machine can operate continuously for many hours without any harm, helping to increase labor productivity and reduce costs. Mr. Niwat really impressed with his unique way of using a Jeep winch and spare tire to pull the tree stump. This innovative solution is not only effective, but also saves costs and time. Returning to Art Steel TRH-120, a super product of tractor-controlled wood splitting, combining power and perfect precision. With a sophisticated laser-cut 5mm thick steel frame, 25 horsepower motor, and 50mm PTO shaft, the machine handles hardwood with ease. Smart design with detachable table makes it easy to move and use. This is a great assistant for farms and wood factories, helping to improve productivity and product quality. The lumberjacks are hard at work cutting down trees. They can harvest 160 cubic meters of wood within 2 days. This is a job that requires specialized machinery and experienced technicians, helping to ensure efficiency and safety during tree sawing, wood preparation, and transportation. The machinery they use includes Untitled MS 170 harvesters and chainsaws. After the wood is harvested and transported, the Penn's 16 ZP Plus crane plays an important role in effectively unloading and loading the wood onto trucks. With a load capacity of up to 16 tons and a flexible crane design, the machine can lift and move heavy wooden blocks from storage areas to trucks easily. This process is supported by a precise coupling system and a powerful 90 kilowatt motor, which helps control the machine smoothly and quickly, thereby optimizing working efficiency and improving transport productivity. V with the power of the Prentice 180, large red pine logs are quickly arranged neatly and accurately. The crane operates smoothly. Each lift is carefully calculated, ensuring no errors occur. The machine's working efficiency has significantly shortened work time and effort.